Um, Very good morning, student. This is Suresh Babu with another video on underwriting of shades. Let me share the screen for today's class. Yeah. So I'm warning everyone, while yesterday also some of you have tried to copy during the test. It's horrible and it's not advisable for all of you or most of you to copy during the examination. That quality you need to avoid, which is very, yes, which will not be liked by yourself later on if you realize. So let us not bother about it. But see, movement of the cursor and pen, paper, that is the notes with ready, which you are actually listening this particular virtual class, I hope. So problem on complete underwriting when total applications, including marked applications, right? In 2007, this question was asked in the paper. Srikanth and company issued 50,000 shares of rupees 100 each, which are underwritten by A, B, C, D as follows. A 20,000, B 15,000, C 10,000, and D 5,000. See, 20 plus 30, 15, 35 plus 10, 45 plus 5, 50,000. Here also 50,000. Here also 50,000. Complete underwriting. So this is known as complete. The total subscription was 44,000 shares, of which the marked applications were, okay, here you don't have firm underwriting. 24,000 A, 8,000 B, 6,000 of C, 3,000 of D. So 24 plus 8, 32 plus 6, 8, 38 plus 3, 41,000, correct? Total marked application. Determine the liability of each underwriter. Very simple. So draw the statement showing net liability of underwriters A, B, C, D, and total. Right, gross liability 20,000, 15,000, 10,000, 5,000, 50,000, what they have stated here, correct? Movement of the cursor, same. So ratio 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Now you need to calculate what? Unmarked application, simple. Total applications received, how many? 44,000, right? So this total is how much? 41,000. Difference is how much? 3,000. See, this is what. So total applications received 44,000. Total marked application 41,000. Difference is 3,000. 3,000 distribute 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10. 1,200, 900, 600, 300. Now you get the balance. 18,800, 14,100, 9,400, 4,700, 47,000. Plus marked application 24,000, 8,000, 6,000, 3,000, 41,000. Now you get the balance. That is minus 5,200 for A, 6,100 for B, 3,400 for C, and D 1,700. C, total 6,000. C. Here you should be getting vertically, and here it is horizontally, same total. Now this minus, what you should do? Plus, right? Here it is minus. What is this? Surplus of A to be distributed to B, C, D. In which ratio? 3 is to 2 is to 1. See? Surplus of A transferred to B, C, and D in 3 is to 2 is to 1. So 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. 5,200 of 2,600. Correct? 5,200 into 2 by 6, 2,600. 1 by 6, 1,733. Okay. Here, sorry, this is 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. Here it is nil. So here A need not purchase anything, but B 3,500 and C 1,667, D 833, in total 6,000. So this is the liability of underwriters. A need not purchase, B, C, D, they have to purchase. So here it is what? Net liability. There was no firm underwriting, okay? Now let us say check 19. Complete underwriting when total applications, including marked applications. Same sum. Okay. Sharat Limited issued 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each, underwritten by X, Y, Z, 10,000, 15,000, 5,000. There, 4 underwriters were there. Here, 3 underwriters you have. So, 50,000 shares, correct? Okay. Now, this is not complete. This is partial. Why? Because I'll tell you. This is partial. Make it partial. It is not complete. Because, see, 10,000, 15,000, 5,000. Total how much? 30. Company is issuing how many? 50,000. Correct? No? Then 20,000 Sharat Limited has also to be selling, right? So this is partial gross liability X, Y, Z, Sharat Limited athava company also you have to write 50,000. Correct? No? 10,000, 15,000, 5,000, 20,000, total 50,000. Now, in addition, there was a firm underwriting. There is firm underwriting now. Okay. So X 5,000, Y 2,000, Z 1,000 shares. Remember this. Total subscription was 40,000 shares. And the forms included the marked applications. So 10,000 of X, Y 10,000, Z 5,000. Determine the total liability of each underwriter. Okay. Now, total applications received is how many? 40,000. Got it? And these include what? Marked applications only. Marked applications of X how much? 10,000, Y 10,000, Z 5,000. So 40,000 total applications minus 25. How much is the difference? 15,000. 15,000 is what? Unmarked applications. Since it is partial underwriting, first credit is given to company, not to the underwriters. So in company's column, minus 15,000, you get the balance. 10,000, 15,000, 5,000 and 5,000 total, 35,000 being left. Now let's mark the application. 10,000, 10,000, 5,000. See, X 10,000, Y 10,000, here Z 10, 5,000, company 0. So total is 25,000. What is the net liability? 10,000, 10,000 nil. Y's liability 5,000. Z's liability nil. Company's liability 5,000. Total 10,000. Okay. Now till here it's okay. But you need to add firm underwriting. Okay. 5,000 for X, 2,000 for Y, Z 1,000, total 8,000. The total liability is 5,000, 7,000, 1,000, 5,000 and 18,000. Means X has to purchase 5,000 shares, Y has to purchase 7,000 shares, Z has to purchase 1,000 shares, and company has to sell 5,000 shares. In total, okay, 18,000 shares is the total liability of X, Y, Z, and company. Vertically, horizontally, you are getting the same total. Okay. So here notes is being given calculation of gross liability ratio, calculation of unmarked applications. Okay. I'll stop here, sir, because let the videos be not very lengthy. Revise, rewrite, so n number of times, and make sure each one is sending your valuable feedback to me. This is Suresh Babu MG from Government First College, Gauri. Thank you all.